Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm making a very simple and easy Matki Chi Bhaji. Okay, so it's matki, which is called as moth beans in English. So I've soaked it overnight for around 8 to 12 hours. And I'll be making a very simple and easy bhaji, which tastes amazing with chapati, or you can also eat it with dal rice. So without further ado, let's get started. So let us begin with pressure cooking the matki, that's moth beans. Here I've taken half cup which was soaked overnight, and now I'll pressure cook this until 2 to 3 whistles with salt and 1 inch ginger. For the cooking, in a pot, I'll take around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. And now once the oil is heated, let's add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, pinch of hing, 2 garlic cloves crushed, let's add in some curry leaves, and then I'll add 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Now we'll fry the onions until they are translucent. So this would take around 30 seconds to a minute. I've kept the flame on high and I'll continuously keep stirring this. Now once I see the onions are translucent, I'll turn the flame low and I'll add in the boiled matki, that's the moth beans. The moth beans are well cooked. Now while pressure cooking this, just make sure that you don't overcook it, or else while making this bhaji, it might get smashed. So just 2 to 3 whistles. And now let's add in our dried spices. So here goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now we'll turn the flame on medium and we'll gently mix it. Now at this stage you can check the salt. As you remember, while pressure cooking the matki, that's the moth beans, I'd already added in salt. So right now at this stage you can just check the salt, and if needed you can adjust it here. Now we'll just cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes because the matki is already cooked. Okay, we just need the flavor to mix well and slightly cook the vegetable. Now it's been 2 to 3 minutes here. I'll turn the flame off. I'll garnish it with fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. And I will cover it with the lid and let it sit for 5 minutes before serving it hot. So that's about it, guys. Let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.